next episode of DIY Off-Grid Cabin. If you watched the last episode, you saw us do the pine shiplap walls, and now it's time to do the ceiling. So in this episode, we'll be flipping the boards over, putting them rough side out to cover the entire ceiling. Once the ceiling's done, we can finish the walls going all the way up to the peak. Let's get started. All right, so the first step is to finish up the insulation and the ceiling. We've got our fireplace chimney figured out. I'll just spray foam it up real quick. Alright, now it's time to finally start putting some wood on the ceiling. We're going to go ahead and start with the middle. This one's going to have to go on that side because of where the thing is, okay?
That's it.
Yep. It doesn't matter where it is, it's just that's where it's going to have to be. Line right up. Alright, so we've got the roof finished, or the ceiling I should say. I like how it looks. Alright, so we're on a mission today to get the upper walls finished, and then the cabin will officially be done with the main part of the construction as far as cutting wood and putting it where it needs to be. Just a little bit of trimming left to do, but after we get done with this, all the walls will be on the floors, everything's done. So we've made a couple little templates. So this is the angle for the walls on this side, and then obviously if you reverse it, it's the same thing, but we made another board. So we can basically just lay these as like a template on the boards. It'll help us finish this top of this wall. So just lay our template in place, draw the line. All right, well the ceiling is done and we got the corners, as you can see, all tidied up. A little bit of trim on the front here. I still have to trim out the windows, but I'm gonna worry about that at another time. It turned out pretty good. Ceiling is the rough textured side of the boards I showed you, but it's kind of hard to tell a difference unless you're really close to it. And then in another video, I got the wood stove installed. So you'll see how I did that. That's cool. It works good. It turned out nice. All right, well that wraps up this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to see more on the DIY off-grid cabin.